YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a plasma with just the grape. Come on. So first, you have to cut the grape at the top. And then after you're going to cut it down, any grape works fine. And just a little bit. And then just split it open. So there's only a little bit of skin. Okay, so now we have it, and all you need is your microwave, and we're ready to do it. You gotta watch it there. Just for about 10 seconds.
Damn!
As you can see, this is very, very flammable. And it's very hot, so caution. Oh, okay. Thank you, YouTube.
Alright, this is Tony, my best brother. And this is me, his little brother. Alright, peace out. Peace out.
I'm sick.